Yo, what's good? What's good, Genius Traders? I hope you're all having a great time. Let's talk about the trades for this week that I took so far. I took 3 losses, then I had one good trade that I've closed like 1.5 hours ago. I had one position remaining. I already closed 3 positions. I had one position remaining, and then as soon as the market came near my stop, I was loading it up big time, gave back a little bit of my profits. So for the week overall, I'm down 200, nearly 290 grand, which is around 4%. Yeah, I'm down 4% so far. Yeah, let's go over the trades, why I took the trades, and I hope that we're going to finish the week strong. So I started off the week on Monday. So what was happening? I was trading the breakout. Had my stop sitting somewhere over here. Then I got stopped out. All the liquidity that you see over here, all traders got stopped out. And then I saw on the 1 minute chart, I saw a bullish structure around that area here. After that push down, so market came down, stopped me out. I mean, yeah, this was the first trade. As soon as I catch the breakout, I was like, oh, that's cool. Then the market turned around, came down heavily, grabbed all the liquidity over here, so many buyers got stopped out over here. And then I was like, okay, now everybody stopped out. I'm sure now we are going to see the next push up because we have an overall upward trend for the recent days. I was like, okay, let's try it again. And then I was holding that thing overnight, got stopped out in the morning. Then we had that, as soon as that liquidity got grabbed over here, like my stop was sitting there as well. Boom, market shooted up like crazy. And I was getting in again. Boom, got tricked again over here, got stopped out. As you can see, boom, market came back again. I was like, damn, let's take that thing again, let's give it another chance. So I was getting in again, and when it came down, I was scaling up some more, had my stop sitting over here, and then we catch that good run. And then this was today, guys. So I was closing some of my position when the market was slowing down. So I had the worst positions, these ones. I was getting out of these positions around in this area over here. Then I was holding overnight, had my stop around 1,775. Then the market took off this morning overnight. And then we had a structure that you only see on a 1 minute chart. We had that structure sitting over here. Boom, bullish structure, clearly got broken over here, came back for the retest, and then was just slashing through the whole stops from the buyers. And then I was like, I had my stop sitting over here at 1,780, and as soon as I saw that the market is about to make it look like it want to reverse, I was loading it up heavy because I had 4 positions. I had 4 positions on that trade. I already closed 3, so 1 position left. So 1 position was left on the market, and then the market showed me signs of a reversal. So I was loading it up big time because I was calculating my risk. So my last position was up around 140 grand. So I was like, okay, let's risk another 100 grand. Let's risk another 120 grand on that trade, and see if we can take this thing to the top. Because if it would have gone through, guys, end of the story, I would have finished my trading week with a big chunk of money. But yeah, as you can see, the market did not do that. It turned against me. I was getting stopped out around that, around 1,780. I was getting stopped out. Then I took another one, but now the market is consolidating, waiting for the New York session to do its thing. I think I'm going to check the New York session, see if we can get another bullish entry, because I still think it wants to break through. because if you look at that channel from the big perspective, like we could easily get back to that one over here. And this would have been my main target, so I'm still thinking about bullish entries over here. We already had that breakthrough moment, but it could guys, it could really try to trick everyone and get back to that level, and with that double top breakthrough, everybody's going short, and then they are going to twist the market around in that area. This could happen as well, so yeah, you gotta be careful and read the market, see what it does, and move with the flow. Yeah, it could really fake a double top over here, breakthrough, and then boom, make that move. So yeah, we definitely need to watch out and see if we can get another really great entry over here on gold. Like I said, I'm down around 4%. I started off the week with too much risk. I wanted to risk, like if you have a big winner, guys. What I experienced in my career over the last 10 years was whenever I'm getting a big run where I took a good amount of risk on a trade, and I win that trade and I make a big chunk of money, almost every time after that I took 1, 2, 3 losses. Like if you hit that big run, most of the time you're going to hit 1, 2, 3 losses in a row. So this is what I expected. So it is clever if you bank a big run and it grows your account to like whatever. I'm talking about a big run like I had last week. I had a really great trade, and I was really planning to risk only 0.5% when I get back on Monday. But I don't know why it took over, but sometimes it happens that I'm overthinking too much and then I'm putting too much risk on the table. I wanted to risk like 0.5%, but I was risking like 2%, you know. And then I took 3 losses in a row, and I was down, I don't know, like 6% or something like that. Then I had one good run. I was loading it up again on that one, gave back a little bit of the profit. Otherwise, I would have been down like 140 grand. If I would have just closed that good run, I would have been down like 2%. Not a big deal for the week. But I was trying to load it up. It didn't work out. But anyways, what I wanted to say is whenever you bank a big run, settle back, get back to your lowest risk portion, and then work your way back up. It's a special way to manage risk. Like if you take, like you start with a 0.5%, you take a win, then you go risk 1%. If you win, you go 1.5%. If you win, you go back to a 0.5%. Like if you're able to make like three wins in a row, you're going back to your lowest risk portion. Another way, let's say you start to risk 1%. If you win, you're making, like, let's say you make 2 times more than you're risking. So you risk 1%, you make 2% gain. Let's say you win that trade, okay? So you make 2% profit. Then you take that profit, put your risk on top, and risk 3% in the next one. If you win that one, you got 6% profit. Then you take that 6% and take your initial 1% and risk 7% on the third trade. If you win this one, you make 14%. So if you're able to make like 3 trades in a row, you would be up around 14% plus 6 would be 20 plus 2, 22% with three winners in a row. And then you go back to the initial 1% risk. Like, everything happens in patterns in trading. You're going to have winning streaks, you're going to have losing streaks. When you have a losing streak, it's better to keep the risk low. When you start winning, you should up the risk. If you start losing, you go down, you know. So yeah, I hope this helps some of you guys. and I wish you a profitable rest of the week. Yeah, I'm going to wait for the New York session. Try to answer all your chats. It's been so much, guys. I'm really sorry if you're waiting for an answer in the chat. Like, I have like 250 or 300 open messages in Telegram, and it's not that easy to trade and answer all chats at the same time. So when I trade the session, most of the times it's not that easy for me to chat with you because I got a lot of money in the market, and I have to check the market, see what it does on the 1 minute, 5 minute chart, and see how it moves so I can react to it. Because as a day trader, you all know that you're going to, you always have to take decisions. So it's not easy to chat and take decisions at the same time. Sometimes I'm doing mistakes because I'm talking to you guys, but yeah, I love it. So don't worry, I will answer all your chats personally. But yeah, give me some time, please. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your trading week, make some profits, and yeah, see what we got on gold. I think we are going to slash through the through the Asian range. I think we're going to slash through the Asian range before it goes up again. Or like I told you, we are going to see bearish movements to come back to that target before we go up again. Let's see what the market is about to do. I'm going to have my eye on it. Keep you updated in the group. If you're not inside yet, check the link in the description. Join the free Telegram chat. If you need some help, drop me a message, but have some patience, please. Yeah, thank you guys. Peace out.